Yeah, you talking loud. Got a whole lot of words running out, yeah, run your mouth. Take it whole deeper go, baby, go and show yourself. Play your game, I'll be patiently waiting till time runs out. Getting close now. All the stories that you tell, what a beautiful imagination. And you should have tell them about where you've been, who you're with, yeah, okay then. You go ahead and excuse me, one more before I walk away.